other day, Trenton and I walked down to the Martinez Marina to look for some different types of birds. We found 8. We went to a place we call the duck pond, although there's only one type of duck here, mallards. The males have a green head and a yellow beak, and the females are brown and white. The black and white birds we saw are called American coots. And when the other birds noticed that we had food, a lot more kinds came to join us. The least shy were the rock pigeons. I could put my camera right next to where they were eating, and it didn't scare them too much. They even got close enough that Trenton asked if he could catch one. I told him to go ahead, even though I'm not quite sure what he would have done with it if he had caught one. He was not quite brave enough, though. The biggest bird we saw that day was a Canada goose. There were several adult ones, and there were also younger ones that looked like maybe they had been born this year. We got to see a few of them bathing themselves in the water.
Does it flow? Throw it? A little bit.
Usually when we go down to the duck pond with food, we see many, many seagulls, but not on this day. We saw one type of bird that we had never seen before. I had to look up what they were. They're called black-necked stilts. Trenton took one look at their long legs and decided that they were flamingos.
They're flamingos. They have such long legs. Yeah, that's why they're flamingos. Is that eating some seeds or something?
The 2 noisiest birds we heard were the honking Canada geese and the trilling red-winged blackbirds. The red-winged blackbirds didn't get very close to us, but they were easy to see when they flew because under their dark black wing is a bright red spot of feathers. We heard one more bird as we left that day. listened to the song of the northern mockingbird as we walked home.